What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and today this is going to be a quick unboxing of the brand new Google Pixel Watch 2, the Pixel 8 Pro, and the new Pixel 8 Pro case, all in the new bay colour. Not going to waste your time, let's go. So first up, we have to start with the big boy, the Pixel 8 Pro in that new bay blue colour. Now, as you all know, any viewers of the channel, unboxing a Pixel 8 Pro is going to be difficult to get excited when I have phones such as the Honor Magic V2, the Vivo X Fold Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and so on. However, I love Android devices and I am a fan of the Pixel lineup. Software-wise, what they're doing is killing the game. And excitingly this year, hardware-wise, they're stepping up their game as well. New camera setup, new display, higher peak brightness. Let's get it open. So obviously you can see by the side of the box, there ain't going to be a charger in here. But what Google are doing is saving the planet one little box at a time by not giving you a charger. So they'll tell you anyway, but you know it's all nonsense. Boom, straight away. The Pixel 8 Pro in that bay blue colour, a cable, an adapter, a manual with a SIM ejection tool. I'm not going to open all that up because, let's be honest, you don't really care. Now let's peel this off. Power up some juice. Oh, see, I do this every time with a Pixel. This should be the power button Pixel. The volume rocker should be above the power button every time with a Pixel device. So while this is powering on, let's talk about the hardware. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, which people were saying is more of a frosted matte feeling. Feels pretty smooth to me. Yes, it's maybe a bit frosted, potentially. Polished aluminium or stainless steel, visor. An aluminium frame all the way around. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front and back. Triple camera setup on the rear. The new 50 megapixel main. The top bad boy 48 megapixel ultra wide. And the 48 megapixel 5x optical zoom lens. Pair those three lenses with the software and absolute magic tomfoolery that Pixel do with their processing, and you've got a real bad boy lineup. Now, charging speeds, still 30 watt. They ain't pushing the boundaries when it comes to that. It does have the new Tensor G3 chip, which should make it as efficient as the S23 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So Google claim anyway, but let's see. That's the one thing that was lacking in the Pixel Fold and the previous Pixel 7 Pro. The Tensor G2 chip, it kind of lacked in battery life. So I'm intrigued to get this used for a long period of time and do some battery drain tests. Now, if we just move this box out, let's just keep that box there. Let's see what the case is all about. I don't generally buy Pixel cases, however, I had store credit to use up. In fact, with the trade-in of my iPhone 13 Pro and the store credit, all of this cost me nothing. I know. That just shows that I spend too much on Pixel. Buying 2 Pixel Folds gave me a lot of store credit. So there's that bay blue silicone case. Now shout out to Google, they didn't rip me off for £50 for this case. I think it was like 30, or again free with store credit. Slightly different shade of blue there. Let me just take that off. So it is saying bay blue, but nah, they're probably the same. Slap that on. Obviously it's going to be a perfect fit. What would Flossie say? Slam Boy certified. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Now, I will be doing a first impressions breakdown video, and then I will be taking this bad boy along with my iPhone 15 Pro Max to Boston. And just since I'm there, I mean, I may as well take my Honor Magic V2 Ultimate. So yes, these will be coming with me to Boston next week. I'm really excited to get some in-depth photos, videos, selfies, all that good stuff from both devices. But anyway, that's unboxing of the case and the phone. And I know you're going to switch off by this point, but I may as well unbox the Pixel Watch, which is going to troll me here. How are we opening this, folks? This should just be a sleeve. Be back in a second. Okay, now I've managed to figure out there was a little tab along the back. I was being silly, but this just... New design this year. Looks like it opens up, yeah. A new design for the packaging, which is always nice. Same old manual, charging cable, and again, as mentioned, Bay Blue watch. Now the Pixel Watch 2 also comes with a new processor. Sadly though, it doesn't come in a bigger size. For some people, a 39mm smartwatch will do the business. But when you are used to wearing, let me just grab this, a 49mm, I mean, look at the difference here. This just looks so small on my wrist. Again, let's power it on. Just the one button on the device this year, I believe. There's power. Oh no, ignore me. There is another button. There's a button up here. So, crown, swivel, button here, sensors on the back, Bay Blue strap. It's the Pixel Watch 2. So, as mentioned, these will be coming to Boston. I will do in-depth reviews and testing. I have to say, weight-wise, 213 grams for the Pixel 8 Pro. This feels pretty light, but not less premium. The flat display, I like it. The curves on the Pixel 6 Pro and 7 Pro were slightly too much. So yes, stay tuned for more content on this and the Honor and the Vivo and the Xiaomi. Again, short but sweet. You didn't even get to see my face this time. That will please a lot of people, I'm sure. Until next time.